Absolutely.
What are you people still doing? We are running late.
Let's go. Very good.
Now, these are special dedication to every couple in their adventure in the institution of marriage. Just wishing you everything good that marriage has to offer. Come on. This not the bone of your bone. She's the flesh of your flesh. A special gift of love sent from above. Your life just began. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
The bone of your bone.
She's the flesh of your flesh. This not a special gift of love sent from above. And your life
just began.
Who gives this bride out in marriage?
City Papa.
I said, who gives this bride out in marriage?
City Papa.
Alright, father of the bride, take your child, or rather your daughter, walk to the altar, hold her right, but not so tight. Give her to the groom before she say I do. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. She's the bone of your bone,
And the flesh of your flesh.
this marriage is baked in heaven,
Special gift of love
sent from above,
from above.
and your life.
Your life just began.
Alright, now to the groom, before you say I do, hold your bride.
Your bride.
She's your bride,
Your bride.
adjust your tie,
Your tie.
maintain the smile.
Your smile.
Take her fourth finger, nothing should hinder. With this ring, I did wedo, for better, for best, in health and in wealth, riches and plenty, in prosperity, in strength and life. Oh yeah, carry your wife, oh
The bone of your bone.
she's the bone of your bone.
And the flesh of your flesh.
This is the flesh of your flesh,
Special gift of love
baked in heaven,
from above.
and your life just
Your life
began.
just began.
Order. Let's take a ride straight to the bride. Hey, Mrs. Hold your peace and grab your room. Come on, this is cool. Steady the smile, just take your time. Hey, hold his fourth finger, nothing should bother. With this ring, I did wedo, for better, for best, in health and in wealth, riches and plenty, in prosperity. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Bone of your bone.
She's the bone of your bone, yeah.
Flesh of your flesh.
This the flesh of your flesh,
Special gift of love
sent from heaven.
from above.
It's the dawning of a new day, yeah. Now let's have the couple sign their marriage certificates. Oh yeah, to the congregation,
Congregation.
let there be jubilating.
Jubilation.
Felicitate you.
Felicitation.
Aya, congratulate.